remember. I am incredibly humbled and honored to stand before you today as the Guinness World Record holder. Cooking for 802 hours, 25 seconds.
Mama say, I'm a kwaba, Nana Boroo Arrésts, social media no wakosone, and now we young cosone. O course, dear na wahu, a dear na wate, near what na yawa soon be wrong. One tell one say, Gibre, let me cheat you, Muka, can me found videos and pictures, and fan show. Me show and some no cry a room. Nothing, no, ya penny po me sibre, ewa. Now what put you any dear, one who write me one shade dear. Number no squeeze banner no. Ofana ofra abunya bebia so yesusu fani hunam from na tete dia Nana Bema Heba and Spiritual Center ye wo Kenya se Santimantum Kumase obeje o se na waboa na watu house at the amount Ghana ni abranti o no aduane bosomme ya ye friend no Smith on e da mensa bunkumusui na abranti efri no eba nyina ne monsema ye bebre ewe ni mumo manoso Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, X, and won't be brave. A dear na why. Near why you say, what boy some trophy shimu. Ye are what you say, a piano would know Bosomeno, where D. Enkunim. Yentia piano press conference ya or no ye yano. Yentia crabina yamra.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed members of the media and fellow Ghanaians. Today is the day I will forever remember. I am incredibly humbled and honored to stand before you today as the Guinness World Record holder. Cooking for 802 hours, 25 seconds. My heart is overflowing with joy and gratitude for making this dream come true.
Kaku yekiri kwa kunu, mamufa ukwechirika krebi anao refi. We shall see February 1st, say wabenu webiane. Onoma no huone fuabe na ochimi yunukona miensa. Banana ni yonku bia no nene competition. You want Nigeria no. No so no be na ochibe enan mo ho. Ko be na ochim yenu miensem ho. Ana Ghana ni hu se debi. Wa mani bukura fu. Enti woto na adwu se den on dey so so be no an wo no ama na atra. To wo no e be bosome. Enya doctor for kwa na ka se wo nyai. Na na pomudi no wa hwe be hana. Ko be kamino ka se kwa nko gusu no. Ani wo no aye pa. Abi no aye no. Obi amfi no. Said the Baba wire or tonum, and the Baba ya no aduane wo tifido mantem no ho faila ene asantoa mo ne eye no singaton wo mo man that kind of attention into no no go hye ne pie mu a na wo no aduane foni ni bi na nam screen no so a wo hwe wo kwan ne na Baba wa chef ketwa hye wa wo mo no wo mo aduane wo de ni nyina aba na wieye bo so me ye te ho asem bia enu echi fufuro ba na aba Nenu ayi da sore ya abranti akotwe camera friends and microphone za mumra aduane amenu aye no yesi madi nkuni wa yes microphone chimu a best screen so a wo hwe ya wo no apa no ntuma se wadi nkuni mo wa print certificate yina ikuta na wadi se we buy branch ben na ya chine se fufra sa be boom se ya che no ade na ama ya che na Ghana ni abranti bi e se wo bom my friend Nana Boroo on na ama ya che no Ejibe ntia yesi Nana Boroo se ne management no waka ho bi na nhyehyeye bi a wo yeye no wo de yaye nti du interview a HFM presenter Annie Smith ni manager ye odi ni mo ye ntotoye wone Dr. Pounds ediye e wo HFM no komo no mu share nda obad ye mu ya so ni ti kakra na yemra.
Which police station then? Which police station? Okay, why are you there? Tell us, what's going on?
I mean, we were getting ready to go live, to have our press conference today at Royal Beach. And a few minutes into the program, there was some group of people came to us saying that one identified himself as Nana Boroo Deputation, and one or two people. Apparently, their issue was that they were part of the old team. The old team that one way or the other supported Shakespeare during the cookathon. And then Shakespeare is owing them in until he settles them. They won't allow the press conference to come on. So as much as I spoke with them, blah blah, in as much as I told them that, well, we can sit down and talk about all these things, but let's go ahead with the press conference, because we've invited the media and all these people, but they were not ready to listen to me.
So hold on. Nana Boroo brought. Can you hear me?
We went to invite the police said that we should allow the La Palm security to handle it. So we came back to continue our program. So they wouldn't allow us. And back and forth. So at the point they said they want to have a word with Millionaire Chef Smith. I said, okay. So let's come to the reception area, sit down, talk to him, then we can continue our press conference. Little do we know, only for us to realize that when we got there, they said they won't sit there. They want to have a word with him in their car. And I told them that was not the arrangement. That was not the agreement. The agreement was that we were going to sit at the reception area and have a word with him. Why now a sudden change? You want us to sit in your car? So I wouldn't allow. And they also they were not comfortable with that. But I insisted that no, I wouldn't allow them to do that in their car. We can't have that conversation there because of security reasons. So we came back and forth. Then eventually the La Palm security had to stop them, caution them that this is their premises. They won't allow you to come and create any confusion over there.
So Ben, yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, hold on. So Nana Boroo brought police, or he brought security personnel, or like, did he come up with police or soldiers or something?
So eventually we went and called police, and the police came and invited us here.
And the reason is, okay, hold on.
More than 2 hours here. I must admit that, or I must say on record that the police is intimidating us.
Hold on, Ben. Listen, you said the reason why Nana Boroo brought in the police. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so you said the reason why Nana Boroo brought the police is he said he was part of the old team, and he is no more part of the team, and Chef Smith is owing them.
Yeah, that's what they are.
So until the money is paid, he won't allow Chef Smith to have his press conference. But is Chef Smith owing Nana Boroo?
Say again?
Is Chef Smith owing them?
No, he is not. According to him, there was a contract, and we said that notwithstanding, if there's any contract or whatever agreement, we can sit down and talk about it and make sure everybody's okay. But you cannot come and stop the press conference. If there hasn't been a timely intervention of the security at La Palm, they would have, destroyed the whole press conference.
Hold on, no. Let me ask you this one quickly, Ben. Since you are the counterback, let me ask you this quickly.
The only thing we want was that we cannot see any journalists, our lawyers are here. So we're trying to intimidate us.
Hold on. Have you guys written your statements? Have you written your statement?
Yeah, the only thing we did was we cannot see anything unless we have a legal representation.
So where is Nana Boroo and the team?
They do whatever.
And I want to know. Nana Boroo piano was Nana Boroo and I may action. Right. So Nana Boroo na me action dia and only at your what and on press conference away. Yes, I also busan and manager and say we are sure the Guinness for and na atrocrat ade abrem say dwumedia mo abrantie die bosomeno enu nkunimdie na omode amano Guinness for atwra ba wonu say abrofo de enti say Ghana we throw email a kire be na otwe bosom mienu otwe ya na ye de bro otwe ya na ye de bro And the stations are holding in our church, yeah, you cry your true, yeah, the yeah, chair say, a Blantiano certificate now, or no, dear Pierre Bontin said, or one of their man, and tell them, and you know, crack, a fake, and a good screen is what making kind of dear mamma. We should be a different stations as I say FM, radio 4D, TV3 4D, or Bongo ideas, Sasto Bombo, and also dear, Nina, and we are all here, chair say, Guinness for say, Debbie, woman more be a. I was in Amsasa Mukoya, so my Guinness for both food. I must say, Ghana for thon, you will be adding washing with one more daily Ghana for more competition, women as it. So be a best idea, actually Ghana, and tell what for the Ghana force is saying no more apply, no more categories, no more. I won't bring young so young come baby cookato. Abrofun bro for Guinness for no more delete woman. And to file a yebi, a floss and twa yebi, Anna Smith swayebi, drums for be swayebi, kiss a ton yenabem, one whiny ton for yenabem. But Guinness from far, no more than a years, I wouldn't can people back, Pepper, be from my the don't about could be. Abofo bi na wenye fie be do 12 years boy now draw and no one credible yes and no escape me some abofra no nko an info in the screen so 12 years 10 to 11 to 12 years boy little boy ono nko an ultimate draw ya and the Guinness for Edman Tigana nya back na Smith paying toto ye won aduane yeah, in fully Dutch crews so I will share a press conference and true for shame with dear no panel on to ma. Monoka say, actually, say, Guinness for say, as a mono, and you know, cray. And come on, and ne media ball. So, what say, dear Mackin, what's at say? What would they say? Guinness for nine canoe cray. A brantiana, one person or publishing a home. Anagrada media nankasa na moyemre yeti asomna na edi akire anasese for no tumbie na so leke binyenko me da se so agebre na wa hweme ma ore mfisa obe like na wa hye na comment na face what turn on notification bell and same no dia ka akire do so a yere ba beso mo ohene nie makra